Welcome back to my channel. Imagine applying one oil blend, and in just weeks, you start seeing thicker strands, fuller volume, and less hair fall, all naturally. If you're tired of trying everything for hair growth with no real results, this video will change your game. Today, we're revealing a powerful 5-ingredient hair oil that's trending globally for one reason. It actually works to make your hair visibly thicker, longer, and stronger. And the best part? You can make it at home with 100% natural ingredients. Why most hair oils don't work? Let's be honest, coconut and castor oil are great, but if your hair is thinning, you need oils that improve blood flow, block hair fall hormones, strengthen hair roots, and deeply nourish follicles. This special oil does all of that, thanks to its unique combination of ingredients backed by science and ancient remedies. The 5 power ingredients. Pumpkin seed oil, the hidden hero. This oil is scientifically proven to block DHT, the hormone responsible for hair loss. It also contains zinc, omega-3s, and antioxidants that boost hair thickness. Black seed oil, kalonji, ancient remedy. Used in Middle Eastern and South Asian cultures, black seed oil strengthens hair roots and reduces inflammation in the scalp. It also improves circulation for faster growth. Fenugreek-infused coconut oil, for smooth thickness. Soak fenugreek seeds overnight in coconut oil, then gently heat it the next day until golden brown. Fenugreek is rich in protein and nicotinic acid, which rebuilds damaged hair and adds volume. Castor oil, thickens and strengthens. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil helps nourish hair follicles deeply and adds noticeable thickness. Rosemary Essential Oil, the trending star. This oil is going viral, and for good reason. A study found rosemary oil works just as well as minoxidil for hair regrowth. It improves blood circulation and restarts inactive follicles. Ingredients list. Pumpkin seed oil 2 tablespoons. Black seed oil, kalonji oil, 1 tablespoon. Castor oil, cold pressed, 2 tablespoons. Fenugreek seeds, methidana, 2 teaspoons, soaked overnight and slightly crushed. Coconut oil 3 tablespoons. To infuse fenugreek seeds, rosemary essential oil 6 to 8 drops. How to use. Mix all ingredients in a clean glass bottle or jar. Warm slightly before use, optional but boosts absorption. Massage gently into your scalp for 5 minutes using fingertips. Wrap hair with a warm towel and leave overnight or for at least 2 to 3 hours. Wash with mild herbal shampoo. Use 2 to 3 times a week consistently. Pro tips. For best results, avoid chemical shampoos, switch to sulfate-free options. Combine this oil routine with a diet rich in iron, zinc, and protein. Take a before-after photo. You'll see the difference in 4 to 6 weeks. If you found this remedy helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone struggling with hair loss. And comment below, would you like a video on hair masks that go perfectly with this oil? Thank you for watching.